Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Gospel artist Carleen Davis is gearing up to release her new album titled The Assignment come Sunday. The Assignment will mark Davis's 26th album and her 11th gospel effort since committing to Christianity back in 1996. This album will be her follow-up to her 2015 project Drippin' Blood, which entered the Billboard Reggae Albums chart in the same year and peaked at an impressive number 2. That was the first time that the gospel music songstress had entered the chart. Davis has already released 3 songs from the upcoming album: Praising God, Jamaica Belongs to Jesus, and Pray For Me, which is doing well on local airwaves. The album is scheduled for release come November 11th by VP Records and will feature collaborations with other established and talented producers and gospel artists, including Minister Marion Hall. Carleen Davis is known for gospel anthems like This Island Needs Jesus and Just to Be Close to You, among others.
You set my heart on fire, 'cause I know you're here.
Reggae artist Danai is making successful moves in his solo career. He is currently embarked on a European tour called Wenchihai. The tour, which kicked off on October 28, sees the reggae crooner making stops in Spain, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, and Netherlands. The tour wraps come November 18. Danai first emerged on the music scene back in 2005 as part of the all-male group Q, which became a finalist in the Rising Stars competition. The group eventually separated, but Danai decided to proceed with his solo career. In addition to touring and promoting the single Me, Myself and I, Danai is also currently working on his debut album. English pop group Spice Girls is confirming their reunion tour, but without Victoria Beckham. Crazy Spice are Melanie Brown, Baby Spice, Emma Bunton, Ginger Spice, Jerry Horner, and Sporty Spice, Melanie Chisholm made the announcement yesterday that their summer 2019 UK tour will kick off June next year. However, Posh Spice, that's Victoria Beckham, who runs a multi-million-pound fashion label, will not be included on the Spice Girls reunion tour due to business commitments. English singer Jess Glynn is set to replace Posh Spice on the tour. Now, Canadian-Jamaican rapper Tory Lanez has finally released his long-anticipated album Love Me Now in an impressive number 4 spot on the Billboard Top 200 chart. Billboard revealed that the album sold approximately 62.5 million on-demand audio streams and 5,000 pure album sales, which is an equivalent of 54,000 units in the first week. The 15-track project includes a star-studded collaboration list with artists like Gunna, Chris Brown, Meek Mill, 2 Chainz, Rich the Kid, Trey Songz, and Bryson Tiller lending their voices to the many songs. Some of these songs on the album include Drip 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 featuring Meek Mill, Keep in Touch with Bryson Tiller, and Flexible with Chris Brown. Love Me Now is Lane's second studio album. It follows his well-received 2016 project titled I Told You. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.